Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that often sparks debate, the relationship between evolution and Islam. This video isn't about choosing sides, it's about exploring different perspectives and understanding how these two ideas can coexist. Transition to a serene nature scene with evolving imagery. Evolution describes the gradual change of living organisms over generations. It's supported by evidence from fossil records to DNA analysis. But what does Islam say about the origins of life? Transition to a shot of a mosque or Islamic art. The Quran speaks of creation, as mentioned in Surah Al-Anbiya 21:30. Do not the unbelievers see that the heavens and the earth were joined together as one, before we clove them asunder, and we made from water every living thing? Will they not then believe? This verse highlights the interconnectedness of all life, aligning with evolutionary principles. Transition to a split screen, one side showing a scientist explaining evolution, the other side showing a scholar discussing Islamic interpretations. Many Muslim scholars believe that the Quran's emphasis on God's creation is compatible with evolution. They argue that God set the universe in motion, and evolution is the mechanism through which this divine plan unfolds. As stated in Surah Al-Rum 30:22, and of his signs is the creation of the heavens and the earth and the diversity of your languages and your colors. Verily, in that are signs for those who know. This verse emphasizes the diversity and complexity of creation, a key aspect of evolutionary theory. Transition to a montage of diverse landscapes and creatures. This perspective highlights the idea of God as the intelligent designer, not a creator who intervened directly in every step of the process. Evolution, in this view, becomes a tool through which God's creative power manifests. Transition to an interview with a Muslim scientist. I see no contradiction between my faith and my scientific understanding. Evolution explains the how, while my faith explains the why. As mentioned in Surah Al-Baqarah 2:117, God is the light of the heavens and the earth. The similitude of his light is as a niche wherein is a lamp. The lamp is in a glass. The glass is as it were a brilliant star. It is lit from a blessed tree, an olive neither of the east nor of the west, whose oil would almost glow forth of itself, though no fire touched it. Light upon light, God guides to his light whom he wills. And God sets forth parables for mankind, and God is knower of all things. This verse emphasizes the miraculous nature of creation, which can be further explored through scientific inquiry like evolutionary biology. Transition to a discussion of different interpretations within Islam. However, it's important to acknowledge that there are diverse interpretations within Islam regarding evolution. Some scholars hold more literal interpretations of the Quranic verses on creation, which may lead them to view evolution with skepticism. Transition to a respectful dialogue between a scientist and a scholar with differing views. While I respect the scientific evidence for evolution, I believe it's important to maintain a balanced perspective. The Quran emphasizes the unique creation of humans, as mentioned in Surah Al-Isra 17:23. And we have certainly created man from an extract of clay, then we placed him as a drop of sperm in a firm lodging, then we made the sperm into a clot, then we made the clot into a lump of flesh, then we made from the lump of flesh bones, then we clothed the bones with flesh, then we brought him forth as another creation. Blessed is God, the best of creators. This verse highlights the intricate stages of human development, which can be seen as a reflection of the evolutionary process. I understand your concerns. Science is always evolving, and there's still much we don't understand about the origins of life. But I believe that open dialogue between science and faith can lead to a deeper understanding of both. As stated in Surah Al-Imran 3:190, verily in the creation of the heavens and the earth, and the alternation of night and day, and the ships which sail through the sea with benefit to mankind, and the water which God sends down from the sky and makes the earth alive therewith after its death, and the scattering of all kinds of creatures over it, and the changing of the winds and the clouds subservient between the sky and the earth, are signs for a people who understand. This verse encourages us to observe and contemplate the wonders of creation, which includes the process of evolution. Transition to a montage of images showcasing the beauty and diversity of life. The debate surrounding evolution in Islam highlights the importance of critical thinking and open-mindedness. It encourages us to question our assumptions and seek knowledge from various sources. Transition to a shot of a globe spinning. Ultimately, both science and faith seek to understand the universe and our place within it. While their approaches may differ, they both strive to uncover truth and inspire wonder. Transition to a closing statement with a call to action. So what are your thoughts? How do you reconcile your understanding of evolution with your faith? Share your perspectives in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more thought-provoking discussions. Outro music with a hopeful and reflective tone. Thank you for watching.